Hey, now I get a lot of email, text, Instagram messaging asking me, how do I seal the ends of my rope twist? Well, here in this video, I am going to show you. Watch closely. You see how I'm roping each individual side, and then I rope them together. As I rope them and rope them together, I'm going to move the tripod out. Y'all watch closely. Okay, now watch this. This is how I seal rope twist. As you do it, you get faster. Now watch me. I'm going to take a piece from the right hand, and I'm going to connect it to the left. I'm going to roll it together. I'm going to roll the other part, then I'm going to roll them together. So I rolled it with the left, roll them with the right, and then roll them together. And I continue to roll and roll. That's one sealed. Now I'm going to do it again. And you only need two. You only need one, really, because when I do one, it seals. Now watch me again. I'm going to take a little piece from that side. See? Bring it over. Bring it over to the other side. Now I'm going to make that one. Get some pomade, roll it. Then I'm going to roll the other side and roll them together. And I keep going down. And I do not do that in the middle of the rope twist. I do it at the end, but not in the middle. Okay? Y'all have a good one. Hope this helped. Bye for now.